Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be unboxing, setting up, demonstrating, and also giving an initial review of this NOCO Genius2 charger. It's genius because it's a smart charger, and it's 2 because it's a 2 amp charger. So some of the appeals of this charger is it not only charges 12 volt conventional lead acid, it also charges glass mat batteries, 12 volt lithium batteries, and it charges 6 volt batteries if you have classic cars. So in the box, you'll find first and foremost, of course, the charger itself and a little manual. The manual's really short, only a couple pages. And then you'll also find some charging cables. And then a mount, so you can mount it for semi-permanent installation. So to hook up the charging cables, there's just a little cap. You take the cap off, plug the charging cables in, and that's about it as far as the setup goes. Now the little strap, as I said, you can hold it on with 2 screws, so you could mount it, say, under the hood of a vehicle or on the wall of your home, something along those lines, if you're going to have a semi-permanent installation, a vehicle that needs charged all the time. So here we are on a battery. This is a glass mat battery. This is out of my sandrail. Battery's been sitting for about 4 years, so this should be a good test of the charger. So first, of course, you connect positive to positive, negative to negative, and then plug in the charger. And then you use the mode button to select the appropriate battery. In this case, again, it's an AGM battery. And let it do its thing. That's about it. You'll see that it is fused, which is nice for safety. In this case, I know I have the glass mat battery because it's non-spillable and it's a gel-filled battery. Of course, most conventional batteries will just be a 12 volt regular lead acid, and that's that LED on the left there that just says 12 volts. So I'm going to demonstrate that now on a battery in a vehicle. So on this Jeep, we have the battery charger set up. You'll see on the far left, the 12 volt LED is illuminated. I got the cables hooked up correctly, red to red, black to black. And we got a slow pulse from the lowest red LED. And as it charges, you'll see that the bars continue to build. Here we got 2 bars, transitioning to 3 bars, and then 4 bars. Now at this point, the green is flashing, but it is not charged. You'll know it's fully charged when the green becomes solid. Now at this point, it is safe to leave it plugged in indefinitely because in addition to being an actual charger, it's additionally a trickle charger and it's designed to be plugged in indefinitely. So it is safe to leave plugged in all the time if you have a vehicle that you don't drive very much. I wanted to briefly talk about just the LEDs on the front. So as we talked about, these are the charge indicators. Down below it tells you what kind of mode you're in for charging, 12 volt, glass mat, lithium, or 6 volt. These are the error LEDs. We'll go over them from right to left. So the rightmost one, it'll turn orange, and that tells you that either the charger's in standby mode or the battery voltage is too low for the charger to detect. This one tells you that you've got your polarity reverse. Go ahead and switch your polarity. This one tells you there's something messed up with your battery. Internal short, something really bad, for some reason it can't charge it. And last but not least, this one tells you that the voltage is too high for your selected charge mode. So would I recommend this battery charger? Well, based on my 1-month experience, absolutely. It brought back to life a battery of mine that had been dead for 4 years. And in a family's vehicle that had been sitting for well over a year, it brought that battery back to life too. So very impressive. I love how it reads out, very easy. I love that it has multiple charge modes. I love that it's mountable, and I love the warranty, 3-year warranty. So far, don't have anything to complain about this. Now in the future, I will be reviewing more NOCO products, and I have one that you won't want to miss. It's one of the jump starters. I did have some issues with that one, so you'll want to stay tuned. That'll be an interesting video. Have a great day.